Hi there, here to introduce you to the Ultima Neuro Advanced Neuropathy Stimulator designed for peripheral neuropathy of the hands and the feet. The Ultima Neuro is a simple device. Today I'm going to show you how to set it up, apply it to the body, and do a treatment session. What you do first is you're going to make sure your battery is charged. To access your battery, you're going to remove your belt clip on the back, pull your battery out, put it in your charger, and make sure it's charged. 8 hours is a good charging time for a full battery charge. Once your battery is charged, you can turn on your device. The Neuro has two programs, your Neuro A and your Neuro B. Both those programs have a sub-program called A1 and B1. So in total there's 4 treatment options or treatment programs for the Neuro. What you're going to do is set your device to Neuro A, use it for about 10-15 minutes, and then set it to Neuro B, and then use it for 10-15 minutes. Then your treatment sessions are complete. So to set your device up, you'll hit the program key, set it to Neuro A. If you want to access A1, you can hit the rate button, and that'll hit you into the sub-program. The sub-programs can be used sort of at your discretion. They're just an alternate treatment option. What they do is they shift the frequency from higher level to a lower level, sort of getting you more into the microcurrent range. Then next what you'll do is you'll set your treatment timer. That treatment timer can go from 15, 30 to 45 minutes. However, it is only recommended to do a 10 to 15 minute treatment session per program. The device will shut down after the treatment session expires, and then you can restart it, switch over to the Neuro B, run it for 10-15 minutes, and then it'll shut down. Once you're familiar with the setup of your device, you're ready to proceed with applying your conductive treatment garments. What you're going to want to do next is take your lead wires and plug them into the device. You can use both treatment wires and plug them right into the bottom of the device. You can see at the end of your treatment wires you're going to have a black and a red pin. Now, if you're treating the hand, you're going to be using a glove and a cuff, and if you're treating your foot or feet, you're using a sock and a cuff. Okay, you can see your active treatment garment has your red pigtail, your grounding treatment garment has your black pigtail. If you're treating your foot, you're going to put the sock onto the foot and the cuff onto the same leg in which you have your sock on. You can put this above the knee, preferred, or right below the knee. Very important is spraying your garments before you apply your treatment pads. What I'm going to do next, though, is plug your pins in to the treatment garments. Red pin into red socks, and black pin into black cuff. Now, if you're treating both feet, it's quite easy. You would just have another set of these plugged into your other lead wire. Okay, so you can treat both feet or both hands at the same time. Now, the most important step in setting up your Neuro and applying treatment is spraying the pads really well. This is a conductive solution. It's an electrolyte spray. It's got a little bit of salt in there and electrolytes. However, you can use plain old tap water as well. All you got to do is spray your pads on the outside and on the inside. What you want to do is spray inside, outside the pad, and on the skin that you're applying the pad to. So you'll spray your cuff inside, outside, and then the spot that you're going to apply the cuff to, spray around it. Okay. Once you apply, and same with the sock, you'll spray inside, outside, and on the foot that you're applying it to. Okay. Then you apply your garments. Okay. So you're going to apply your cuff and your sock. Go back to your device once your garments are applied to the body, and you're going to set your programs, which you pretty much already have done. Make sure your timer is set to 15 minutes. And the last thing you do once everything is applied to your body, everything's sprayed, is you're going to turn up your intensity, which is these dials here on the left and the right. They're geared towards the channel that they're treating. Do note that your intensity does not go up if your pads are not making a contact with the skin. So if you don't have enough spray on your pads, you will not be able to turn your intensity up. It's a safety feature, so make sure the pads are sprayed well, and then your intensity will go up. Once your intensity is up to a level where you can feel it, but it's not too strong, you're at the right level. If it's too weak, turn it up a little bit. If it's too strong, turn it down a little bit. And you're going to run, like I said, a 15-minute session for Neuro A, and then a 15-minute session for Neuro B. Once your session is complete, you can remove your garments, let them air dry, and you are ready for your treatment session next. Now there's the other treatment options at the bottom here. Really, these are just convenience buttons. You've got your timer, you've got a pause button, you've got a lock button, so you can lock your treatment session so that if you make if you press a button, it won't move. And then you've got a treatment light, which you can turn on if you're using it at nighttime. Other than that, you've got a treatment compliance timer under the memory button, and you've got your on-off button. So it's very basic, very simple device. Everything is preset in this device, designed for home use, designed for easy setup and convenience. That is the full setup of your Ultima Neuro. It does come with a carrying case here as well, user's instructions, and your charger, lead wires, battery, and charging cord. So that is the complete setup of your Ultima Neuro, and good luck in using it, and farewell.